Jai Hind everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge etc. Today I am going to describe about Bank of India's revamped savings account scheme for women. Bank of India Star Nari Shakti savings account. Key features, benefits and important points. Introductions. A revamped savings account scheme designed specifically for women has introduced a wider range of banking, financial, lifestyle, health and security related benefits. The information available from the website indicates that the scheme was originally launched in 2023 for working, salaried, and professionally self-employed women aged 18 years and above with a regular source of income. Following feedback from the field and comparisons with features offered by other institutions, the account has now been revamped to make its benefits more competitive and relevant to changing customer requirements. The revamped version was approved. Who can open the account? The account is intended for women aged 18 years and above who have an independent and a regular source of income. It can be opened either singly or jointly, although the first account holder must belong to the eligible target group. Staff members are also eligible to open the account. One of the important features is its tier-based structure, under which accounts are classified as normal, classic, gold, diamond, platinum, depending on the average quarterly balance it to be maintained. The normal category applies below rupees 10,000, while the higher categories require progressively higher AQB levels up to rupees 10 lakh and above for the platinum category. Zero balance feature and banking concessions. The account is described as a zero balance savings account with concessions and benefits linked to the AQB maintained during the previous completed quarter. The number of free check leaves increases with the account tier, ranging from applicable facility in the normal category to unlimited check leaves for the platinum category. Customers can also receive concessions on demand draft, pay order issuance, and RTGS NFT charges, with the level of waiver increasing according to the tier. This makes the account potentially more attractive to customers who maintain higher balances and regularly use banking services. Debit card, digital banking, and credit card benefits. The revamped account also provides tier-linked debit card benefits with charges waived for eligible categories subject to the applicable conditions and fast issuance provisions. WhatsApp alerts are free for accounts maintaining an AQB of rupees 10,000 or above in the previous completed quarter. An eligible woman customer may also apply for a woman-specific RUPE credit card subject to eligibility conditions, including minimum age, regular income, satisfactory credit history, and applicable residency requirement. The credit card package includes several lifestyles and convenience benefits, while issuance charges are fully waived. Renewal or annual maintenance charges remain subject to the prevailing service charge rules. Insurance, health, and wellness benefits. Insurance and wellness benefits are another major component of the revamped scheme. The personal accident insurance cover increases substantially with the account tier, ranging from the applicable cover for classic to as much as rupees 2 crore for platinum. A complimentary health and wellness package is also provided for eligible higher tier accounts, subject to the continuation and renewal of the relevant insurance policy. The wellness package includes basic health assessments, blood and urine investigations, vision screening, thyroid-related testing, teleconsultations with doctors, specialists, dietitians, and nutritionists, digital health risk assessment, a personalized health dashboard, and wellness-related tools and discounts. Locker, DMART, and loan-related concessions. The scheme also attempts to combine savings banking with other financial requirements. Eligible customers can receive a first-year discount on annual rent of one category A or B locker, with the concessions increasing according to the account tier and subject to locker availability. Demat account annual maintenance charges can also receive applicable waivers. Further concessions are available on processing charges and interest rates for eligible home and vehicle loans, with greater benefits linked to higher account categories. However, customers must satisfy the bank's applicable loan eligibility norms, and certain concessions cannot be combined with other special offers. Social responsibility and women's financial independence and important social dimensions of The scheme is that a contribution of rupees 10 is made towards the bank's CSR fund for every new account opened. The stated purpose is to support the socio-economic development and welfare of the underprivileged women and girl children. Thus, the account is positioned not merely as a banking product but also as an instrument intended to encourage women's financial independence, security, and greater participation in formal financial services. Important conditions for customers. Customers should carefully understand that several benefits are subject to eligibility, account category, prevailing service charges, policy renewal, and other applicable terms. Insurance claims are payable by the concerned insurance company, and the bank does not undertake responsibility for payment if the insurer is unable to settle the claim. Credit card and debit card benefits are subject to applicable terms, while locker facilities depend upon availability and the special locker concession is stated to be available only for the first year. Customers are also required to provide consents for sharing relevant personal information with entities providing associated benefits such as insurance and wellness facilities. Conclusions. The revamped Women's Savings Account brings together traditional savings account facilities with tier-based concessions, digital banking services, card benefits, insurance protections, health and wellness-based facilities, locker and demand concessions, and loan-related benefits. Its broader objective appears to be encouraging women with independent income to build stronger financial relationships while receiving additional services linked to their banking relationships. However, customers should always check the latest applicable terms, eligibility requirements, service charges, and availability of benefits before opening or upgrading an account. Disclaimer: this article has been prepared solely from information received from our website and is intended for general informational and educational purposes. Readers should verify the latest official terms, eligibility criteria, charges, benefits, insurance conditions, and applicable rules before taking any financial decisions. Benefits mentioned above may be subject to change, renewal, eligibility and availability, and prevailing guidelines. This article should not be treated as financial, investment, legal, or banking advice. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe, and share.